Hey, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another Mayan astrology video. Today, I have for you the story of the monkey, the playful monkey that uses humor to make life a little lighter, that walks the earth one step at a time, always alert to the opportunities, to the synchronicities that can lead to a different road. And the monkey that uses their intuition, that strives to be the child that walks without fear, that is open to new opportunities, to new experiences, that looks at the world like a beautiful dream. Now, the challenge for this wave is the red dragon. This is what we have to learn in order to live our lives in this way, in order to really embrace this process. And a dragon is about taking good care of ourselves. The dragon is the divine mother energy that is nurturing, that is caring, that makes us feel safe and warm, that provides a emotionally safe environment within which we can be ourselves, within which we can feel like we get to take care of ourselves. And that is what we are invited to provide to ourselves, because while initially maybe our mother or our father provides that, as we grow older, we have to find it in a different way. And if we keep looking for a replacement to that mother energy, we may find that it doesn't always work that well, or it's simply unavailable. And so the dragon energy invites us to be the mother energy for ourselves, to create that safe space for ourselves. And when we can do that, when we can take good care of ourselves and create that warm environment for ourselves, we are actually helping others to take care of themselves, to feel safe in our presence. Now, what's also in this wave is the white wind. And the white wind is the divine father energy. And this is about giving ourselves the guidance, the sense of direction, of knowing where we want to go. This is about communicating and expressing ourselves, about speaking up about what is important to us, where we want to go with our lives. And again, if we don't provide that father energy to ourselves, we will look to our government, we will look to our community, we will look to companies and other people who seem to be smart and will guide us. And sometimes that works out all right. Sometimes it could be really inspiring for a moment, but it can also turn out pretty bad. And so it's really important, again, to provide that guidance, to find good sources of guidance, and to provide guidance to ourselves, to be able to access sources of guidance and find ways of direction, to have our own sense of direction of where we want to go. That is a personal experience. And a beautiful thing is, and that's what this wave shows, if we learn to be the dragon for ourselves, if we then step into manifesting that father energy, we can actually get to the blue knight, which is the childlike, innocent energy, this intuitive child that is open to new experiences, that is not afraid because they do not have this baggage of the memories of what went wrong. They're open to believe that things can be different this time. And if we can provide mother and father to be there, then we can be a child safely. That's the beauty. If we can make sure that we can also be responsible, we can also take actions for ourselves that we need, then within that space, we can be the child that dreams, that believes, that dreams big and goes after it. The red earth over there, it is all about being in alignment with that energy of taking steps, of not sitting still, not overworking yourself, you know. A lot of times this comes from trauma, that we feel like we need to prove ourselves, we feel like we need to go faster, we need to get things done. Did you have that as a child? Probably not, right? You were just playing. The monkey wants to play, wants to bring a little bit of laughter into it, bring some joy. So allow the joy, but take some steps. Move to where you want to go, but allow the synchronicities to guide you. And lastly, the red Skywalker over there on tone 3, this is what we set in motion. In others, this is what is set in motion by this process. And the Skywalker is about going on the adventure. It's about going on a tour of discovery, of learning new things, of walking the spiritual realms, walking all kinds of unknown places, and taking back with us the stories of our adventures, and finding ways to take spiritual knowledge and make it practical, make it something we can actually apply in our lives. So that's what this wave is all about. I hope this helps you to find your inner child, or to let it out more, or to find how you can create that motherly and fatherly energy within your life, how we can take steps, how we can go after our dreams. I hope it inspires. And with that, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, and a beautiful, beautiful life. Until next time, bye.